client is yung condo corporations. These are yung mga developers, di ba? These are ordinary assets to them. Okay, itong ordinary assets na to, o di pagka binenta yan dito sa lumalabas sa sinasabi mo, binenta sa tao. Tama ba? So this is a natural person. The natural person purchase it, although ordinary asset from the start, it now becomes a capital asset to this natural person who purchased it. Maybe this person is an employee of another company. Right? So from here, you said that this person sold it to our client. Right? So when this person sells it to our client, it is subject to 6% capital gains tax. 1.5% documentary stamp tax. Ganun ang mangyayari dyan. So ngayon, may issuean niya ng car kapag ka nabayaran itong dalawang ito. Normally, it is charged to the seller and then sa DST also. But anybody who pays the DST, whether the buyer or the seller, the other party is no longer obligated to pay. So sometimes then, in reality, this is something that has been passed on to the buyer. Although, in terms of the tax return, talagang seller ang nakalagay dyan. So ito na yung client natin. Kasi sinasabi mo, yung client natin, nung binenta sa kanya, so yung title has been passed to our client. What happens now is our client uses this for a staff house. Diba? A staff house. So kung staff house yan, PPE yan. Hindi siya investment property. Kasi una, nakapangalan sa client, tapos ginagamit ng mga staff as a dwelling place for their convenience. Kasi ang tanong dyan, is the staff house within 50 meters from the plant, from office or plant. Now, if within 50 meters, o di pwede mo nga sabihin niya na for the convenience of the taxpayer, yung client natin. So, okay lang yan. Wala na yung FBT kasi it is for the convenience. But if it is outside of the 50 meters na distance, then it becomes exposed to either FBT or withholding tax on compensation, depende kung supervisor plus managerial or rank and file employees. So, ganun na mangyayari. So, ang sinasabi mo ba, hindi yan, ano ba ang pagkaka-record sa books?
Okay, sa libro as investment property.
Investment property. So, kung investment property yan, ang ibig sabihin nun, that is an abandoned property or yung pinarerentahan. Saan tanong? Yan ba ay pinarerentahan? Samantalang ginagamit ng mga stock nila. So this is not supposed to be an investment property. It is supposed to be a PPE. So anong mangyayari doon? Pinaupahan ba yan?
Posible po nilang paupahan sa mga employees.
So kung paupahan yan sa mga employees o di rent, ano bang kalakaran? Baka naman 6,000 per month. Paano kung pinarerentahan nila ng 1,000 per month? So may problem tayo doon. Kasi the difference would again be either withholding tax on compensation or FBT. Although mahirap na yung i-trace, but theoretically speaking, dapat yan kung yan ay parerentahan, dapat arm's length. Kasi kung hindi yan arm's length, edi there is again a benefit to the employee. Di ba? So, yun yung mga situation na pwede mo i-take. Hindi siya pwedeng maging yung transfer ay from a natural person to our client who is engaged in the selling of yung mga construction materials. Tama? So, hindi siya pwedeng maging subject sa CWT or creditable withholding tax na 1.5, 3% at saka 5% because this person is not engaged this is not engaged in real estate business. So therefore, hindi siya magpo-fall dyan. O di ba kasakali dito sa 6% CWT. But again, CWT means income taxation. Income tax yan. Tapos yung CWT mo na 6%, ima-minus. But again, hindi siya magpo-fall dito kasi ito ang pinaka-source niyan eh. It is a capital asset to the natural person, then it is not subject to VAT, it is not subject to income tax. Rather, it's supposed to be subjected to 6% capital gains tax and 1.5% supplementary stamp tax.
Paano yung sir, nagkano sila nag-withhold sila ng 1%?
Nag-withhold sila ng 1%. Ito yung actual. 1% na CWT. Tama?
WC 1.5.
Alin?
WC 1.5. Hindi yung ako.
Yan. 1%, di ba? Kaya lang, CWT means income taxation. This is capital asset. So, hindi yan ordinary asset. Therefore, it is supposed to be subjected to ordinary income tax. To income tax. Hindi yan dapat since ito ay capital asset, hindi ito pa pwede. Ang dapat na gamitin dyan is 6%. CGT. So, kung ganyan ang situation, then the withholding should have been the payment of the tax should have been 6%. It is not a withholding tax. It is not creditable. So talagang babayaran yan outright. So ngayon, ang tanong dyan, anong gagawin mo dito? Hindi mo to pwedeng i-offset dito. I-offset? Hindi pwede. Kasi magkaiba yung tax na ginagamit dito, capital gains. Ito naman, creditable withholding tax.
Siguro sir, i-confirm ko na lang din kung itong natural person is parang engaged din sa business ng selling of condo. Parang ordinary asset.
Alamin mo, yes.
Ordinary.
Kasi kung hindi naman siya habitually engaged, actually, either engaged or habitually engaged. Diba? Pag hindi siya habitually engaged, hindi rin siya not habitually engaged. Ibig sabihin, not engaged in trade or business. If not engaged in trade or business, capital asset yan. If it's a capital asset, capital gains tax. Then again, hindi ito pwedeng i-offset. Ang kailangan gawin dyan, bayaran yung 6% capital gains tax and i-refund mo yan. Wala kayong magagawa. Okay na. Sige.
Pero sir, pagka directly from condo or developer to client.
Iba yun. Kasi
Doon
ano to dito na yan, ordinary asset yan Tapos engage in trade or business na yun diba? CWT. Depende dun sa situation. Kung less than 500,000, ito naman ay more than 500,000, tapos to 2 million, di ba? Tapos more than 2 million. Dito yan magpo-fall kung more than 2 million. Tapos depende pa yan kung yan ay kung yung buyer, kung diretso nga dito, kung sabi mo to the buyer or to here, di ba? Kaya ang tanong, yung bang buyer is engaged or not engaged in trade or business. Kasi kung ano, alamin mo muna kung installment ba yan or deferred sale. If it is 25% or less, then that is yung initial payments within that year, that is installment. Otherwise, deferred. So kapag ka installment, alamin mo kung ano, kung yung buyer ba is engaged or not. So depende kasi yung timing. Kapag engaged, o di ang withholding niyan is on demand. Pero kapag not engaged, o di on the last payments ang withholding. Sa deferred naman, o di doon na yun sa kasi deferred doon sa first na installment o down payment. Doon ang withholding. Okay?